Hello and welcome to Hooray! Today we are going to learn some tips and techniques for the reading component in the IELTS exam. The reading component has 60 minutes time to complete the task and they are divided into 3 passages. Let's look at one of the question types in the reading component. One question type is multiple choice question. Let's look at the description. You have to understand the main idea of each paragraph, scan for specific information, use detailed reading to differentiate between several possible answers. You will be asked to read the first half of a sentence, a statement, or a question about the text. Choose the most appropriate sentence ending, response, or answer from a choice of a number of options. Usually there will be 4 options. Only one would be correct, although several could appear to be the correct one on first reading, so beware. Here are the key tips to answer multiple choice questions. Read the questions first. The answers will be in order. Read in detail. Watch out for distractors like every, all, most, a few. These words alter the meaning of the sentences. Don't leave any blank answers. Note the incorrect information as well. They include 1. Partially correct answers with distractors. 2. Contradictory information might be included. 3. Similar but irrelevant information may be included. And 4. Information related to the question which is not included in the text. Here are some strategies that you could follow which would make this answer easier for you. Read the instructions. Skim the text for general ideas and identify keywords. Take note of the main idea of each statement. Think about the meaning. Identify differences in meaning. Predict the correct answer. Make note of it. Read the text again. Identify synonyms and paraphrases. Deciding between similar answers. For example, paraphrase each one in your own words. Identify distractors such as qualifying words that give them different meanings. Compare keywords and synonyms between them and with the question. Move on if you're confused, make an educated guess. Now we are going to look at a sample passage. You can take some time and read through this passage, and then there will be a few questions with multiple choice options, and you are going to do this exercise and find the answers. So now I'm going to give you some time to read this passage. This is the continuation of the passage. Please read through it. Now let's take a look at the questions. We have 2 questions on this slide. The first one says, people went to Gimbals to buy ballpoint pens because, and they give you 4 options. The second question reads, why were early ballpoint pens not produced commercially? So please pick the correct answer from the passage that you've read. Let's look at the next 3 questions. The third question is, why was Ladislas Biro's pen better than earlier models? 4. Biro's first commercially produced pen, and you have 4 options. And the fifth statement is Patrick Frawley's pen and there are 4 options. Please go through these and select one answer for each question. Let's take a look at the answers. The first one, answers B, 2D, 3C, 4B and 5A. And here is the explanation for the right answers. Let's take a look at some of the common problems why people find difficulty in answering these questions. The problems our students often encounter include lack of comprehension of the passage, inability to recognize similar information presented in different words, lack of ability to match synonyms, not checking the context, missing out on differentiating words. The tips in the following slide will help you avoid these problems. These are the general reading tips which should help you overcome the above problems. Learn vocabulary. Learn to infer from the text. Search for keywords. Be a voracious reader. Question the text. See how many words you read per minute. Look at the sight words. Do research work in the library and read a lot of books. Listen to people who speak good English. And increase your reading fluency by using a progress monitor. With this, we come to the end of the multiple choice types of questions in the reading component in the IELTS test. Thank you and wish you happy reading and finding the answers.